Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. As you know that I am your host Tawheed Akbar and you are watching the second episode of the Innovative Show. And in last episode we discussed about the Labor Day. And in this episode we are going to discuss or we are going to argue on a very interesting topic. And the topic is the failure is the stepping stone to success. And the present surprise is that today we have four guests. So before starting our topic or discussion, I would like to introduce them. Please.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muzammil Ahmad and I am from language section.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Murali and I am from language section.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iftkhar Ahmed and I am from language section.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ridwan and I am from language section.
Okay, it's my pleasure to having you all of here. Thank you very much. So first let me tell you what is failure. So failure is the social concept of not reaching a desirable and intended objective. And it is usually viewed as the opposite of success. And failure is experiencing a negative outcome or independent of success. And the fact of someone or something is not succeeding is called failure. So let's start our discussion with our guests. So first of all, I want to ask that my first question is that with Mr. Muzammil. So Mr. Muzammil, the failure is a stepping stone to success. What does this sentence convey to us?
Failure is the stepping stone to success is a proverb that means experienced failure is a necessary and natural part of the journey to achieving success. Every success brings us closer to, every failure brings us closer to success. Success is often achieved after overcoming obstacle and setback. Success is a part of, failure is a part of learning, failure is a part of understanding. Failure is to experience something and failure is motivation. Sometimes failure motivates us as well.
Okay, he means to say that in this sentence convey to us that failure is a part of learning, failure is a part of understanding, failure is a part of to experience something. So don't be feared from failure. He means to say that. So what's your opinion, Mr. Jawad?
I want to describe this with think forward. When failure is stepping is too intense. With this forward, I will explain it. And let's take the first word, failure. Failure means something we will not get. Means we want to get something like now I want to do business, but I will not get. I will fail in between of my way. I will not reach to my destination, but I will fail. Then I will think I am failed. Now I can't do something. It's failure. Okay, let's move to step. So step what? Step one is saying that don't be stop. Do it continue. Don't stop and step by step you will get whatever you want. And the third word is stone. Stone means the word stone is conveying that it means to say that strong thing. It is related to a strong thing. Stone, you know that stone is also strong, so it also give meaning of strong. And last thing is success. We know about success that whatever we get in our life, whatever we want to get, like the purpose which we get, is called success. So all these sentences, if we will means take this forward, then it will tell us that failure will come in your life, but don't feel fear to failure. And do it step by step. Do it continually, and by step by step, you will get a strong success. That success which never means you will get a success, but never ever no one will come to lose you. No one will come there to tell you that you are the loser. Because you have succeeded. You have succeeded. Now no one will tell you that you are the loser. It is the sentence is coming.
Thank you. Okay. He means to say that in this sentence there are three things. First is failure, and second one is stepping, and third one is success. Meaning when someone got failure, so after failure he should do hard work step by step. And after that, then he will do hard work step by step. Then he will be success. After doing work hard step by step, success will come. Okay, so let's move to another question. Okay, what are the impacts of failure on our society? What?
Impacts of failure in our society. There are two kinds of impacts in our society, positive and negative. Let's move towards first negative. What are the negative impacts in our society? Now, I will give you example by example and you will understand that now there is a person who wants to do business. So he wants to do business, but during business he will feel a lot of difficulties. He will face, but he will get failed. And he will think that business is not meant for me. So why should I do business? Why should I waste my time in business? I have to do job. And that person will change his goal and move towards job. And second type is positive impact. Positive impact of failure in our society. So I will also give you an example of it. That if there is a person who wants to do business, there is also an example of business. Because if I will give two examples, then you will understand more in a better way. Okay? So it is also about business. So in business, if there is a person, he is trying again and again, he is failing. So he will try again and again, because he will not just try, he will also understand, and he will also take out his own mistakes and make his mistakes good, and replace his mistakes by correcting. He will correct his mistakes by replacing it. That now I did a mistake, so now I should replace it with correcting it. If I have to correct it, then it will be replaced, and then I will get success. Now I'm choosing two ways. Now I have two ways, okay? So one way is dangerous for me, second way is easy. So I will choose that way which is easy for me. I will go there. Not there which is dangerous for me. So like that person will get success in his business and become a good and big businessman.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Jawad and Mr. Iftikhar. According to you, what are the impacts of failure on our society?
According to me, the impacts are there are some impacts of failure which is stepping into success in our society. First impact is that there is our new generation. We are now one student got failed in his life, then he will go and his home in his society. The new generation is that now he gets failed. Now he left the education. How many times he did hard work, but the thing that he left. They will leave education. These are impacts. And another one is good impact is that when we will experience something, when we will get failed, we will know about something that which mistake we have made and what happened with us. Then we will experience and we will correct our mistakes and then we will be successful.
So, according to you, what is your opinion, Mr. Ruli, about what are the impacts of failure on our society?
The impacts of failure in our society is that if someone got failed and that student get more pressure from the family and society. And most of the students, they left their education. And they are taking responsibility of family and they are supporting their parents. And someone student who did hard work in that time, who did struggle, who did sacrifice, and if he gets failed, and he will say, I did which mistake I did, in next time I will not. And he will do more and more hard work, he will do more and more struggle, he will give much time to study. And what society are saying that you get failed, now you should not continue your studies. You get failed, and again you will get failed. And someone will say, no, I did mistake, and again I will correct it. And they will do hard work, and when the failure is faced them, and they will be prepared that mistake which I did in last time, and they will be correct, and they will get it.
He means to say that the impacts of failure for society are there. Each and every person when he get fail, after that he don't try to get success. He don't try again and again. He should try, but he don't try again and again because he says, think that I got fail. Now how will I get fail? Or how will I get success after that? I am failed. We think that now I won't be passed in my life. Okay? So what is your opinion about it? What are the effects of failure on society?
There are two types of affections on our society. One is positive way and second one is negative way. So, and in our society, majority of the people they think negative, and majority of the people they think positive. They have patience to get their destination. So let me tell you first a positive way. Positive ways are that whenever a person who has patience to achieve their destination, who have his hard work to get his destination, he never gets behind with his failure. He will never ever sit with failure. He will boost himself, he will grow himself, but he won't be fail any difficulty to face failure. Okay? And then one day or one time he will be getting succeed in his life. And now let's move to negative ways. Negative ways are that the majority of the people they get fail. But after facing failure, they think that we have done much struggle in our life, but we did fail today. Now we won't boost ourselves. We cannot boost ourselves again and again. We will be failed, just let it here. We have to stop here. Just because of that, I don't like to face any failure in my life. That's why they go to failure. Now there is no any issue of failure. There's different types of people, so they have a different types of mindset. So that's why they're feeling different types. Okay? These are.
Okay, so what do you want to say about those people? Most of the people they think that if someone is spending his life in comfort zone, and if he do work hard, then he will get more and more comfort zone. Okay, then he think that if I will do work hard, if I will do struggle, then maybe I will say I will fail. Because he fear from failure. So should he fear from failure or not? What do you want to say about this?
I want to say that a person who is now is comfortable zone. If he fails to no failure, no one will affect on him. Just because of that, now he is in a comfort zone. Okay? Now if he faces failure, no matter who and what, whenever he fails failure and other things. If he got past in his destination or what is aim of life, if he got past, so he will pass with flying colors and he will get more comfortable zone. He will spend his life more comfortable zone. Now he never just hurt or harm. And other thing, if he get succeed, if he will succeed in his life, he step by step failure. If he try to face failure and he know very well how to face failure, so one day he will be a succeeding, he will be made his guest house like building or other things, he will build himself. And also he should learn from failure as well.
Okay, so do you know any example that inspired you and you felt that the stepping stone to the failure is a stepping stone to success?
Yes, I saw the one example, one of the biggest example from Navy, which is running here. At the time, my brother, I think he killed one lizard at the time, in that pond. So there come lots of uncountable vertebrates, or we can call it ants. They camp there. They try to pick it in their home. They try to carry it to their home at the time. So one time they brought him on the wall. On the wall. One time they reached between the wall. They fell down. The lizard was fell down on the earth. But they never give up. Ants are never give up. They try again. And at the time, as the second time, they put it on the floor. Just they were about to reach their home. But they fell down again. But they never get behind with their failure. They said, no, we have to do it. But when the last time I saw that, there was just 1 feet of lizard outside of their home, or we can say barrow. There's barrow out of their home. So I took the lesson from them. Don't stop your failure. If you fail today, you have failed for a day, not for a life. So get up, but never give up. Learned from that lesson from that aunt.
Okay, thank you. Okay, my second question is to Mr. Iftihar. So, Iftihar, what do you want to say about those people when they fail, when they get failed, and after that they select another goal or they give up, they leave their goal. So, what do you want to say about them? What do you want to suggest them?
I want to suggest them that the failure is a part of our life. Failure is a success, and failure is a part of our success. When we will get failed, we have to do hard work and we have to try for our goal. When we have not give evaluation, we have to not change our goal. When I am giving example is that now you have failed, got failed. You will change your goal, but the other goal will be other things. You will second time you will get failed. But in this goal, you will know that which mistakes I did and which he or she will experience that. Now I have experienced, I have know that how I get fail and I will correct my mistakes and I will be succeed. Then it is not a good way and it is not a good way to change their goals and change left from education. We have to do hard work. When we get fail, we have to try more than more for our goal and we should not left from our goal. Our goals are most important for our success.
Okay, so what's your opinion, Mr. Jawad, about those persons when they get failed, after that they don't continue their goal, they leave their goal or they give up?
I just want to say that they feel fear to failure. They feel fear to failure that if I fail, then the people will laugh on me that you have failed. What will you do ahead? You are well here. Now you want to go ahead. What will you do ahead? Leave it and do something else. Then that person will do something else. But in that work, in that thing, he will again fail. Then other person, there will come another person. He will say that you have to choose this goal. It's not meant for you. You have to choose another. You will go towards another goal, the third goal. That he will choose another goal that now I will do it. But he will again fail, again face the failure. Then he will automatically consider that I act on his word, on his suggestion that leave it, I got failed. I again means act on that person's, that people and those people suggestions that leave this goal, again go there. Then again I go fail. Now I think I have to learn from my failure. That now I failed, then I have to be in this, in this goal. I don't have to leave my goal. And now I left 2 times and 3 times my goal. Now I am again facing failure. Now I think I don't have to. Now I will try that. I will not leave it. I will not give up. I will do work out on this goal. And because I will not change my goal. Now I will change my way of reaching success. By getting failure, that person will automatically understand that we don't have to act on another people's thoughts. That whatever they say, we will act on it. Think, we have to cogitate about it. Are they correct? whatever are the saying, is it correct? Then we have to do act on it.
Okay, let's move to Mr. Murali. Okay, Mr. Murali, my question with you is that what do you think that, what do you appreciate that about those people when they get failed and their parents force them to do work hard? Their parents says to them, don't try again and again, leave that goal, you won't get success. I mean that they discourage their children. So what do you want to say about those parents and about those children? They don't force their parents, we want to learn, we want to stay.
According to me, parents should not force this because failure is also part of success. And failure, when you want to get success, first you will face failure. If you get failure, it does not mean you have to stay. You have to work hard, you have to struggle, you have to give much time and study. And what people are saying, you should not focus on this. You have what you want, you have to do like that. If you will do hard work, and you will do struggle, you will get success. If your parents are forcing you to do work hard and leave your goal, you will not get success. And parents should not do like that. If children have interest to get success, maybe he will get success and he will also support you. You will also work hard in success. In success is like not like that. If you will get success and you will earn money, you will sit in office and you will earn money. And also success means hard work. If you will get hard work and you will get success. And if you get success and you will do hard work.
Thank you very much. Okay. My next question is with Mr. Jawan. So, Mr. Jawan, some of the people they question that failure and success are different things. So, what was the relationship between both of them?
Yes, there are a lot of people that think that failure and success both are different things. But what is the relationship between them? I will tell you. Relationship between failure and success. Failure is the more essential thing, more essential part of success. It is the relationship of failure and success. Before success there will come failure. And after failure there will come success. It's the relationship. If you will get failure, if you will get failure, if you will face failure, then you will get success. It's the relationship. Now I will give you another example of it that if a child, you don't know how to walk, he will try again and again. He will fall down. It means he fell. But he again tries to move towards his success, to get success to walk. He will try again and again, and one day he will be the person, he will be the boy who will walk. Who will walk carefully, who will walk like that he didn't walk at that time when he got fell. It is the relationship that if before success there will be failure and after failure there will be success.
Okay, thank you. So now we are going to wind up our topic. So at the last, I want to suggest each and every person their failure is nothing. It will happen, but we should not be stay with that failure. Try again and again. Because failure is a part of learning, and failure is a part of understanding, and failure to experience something. And failure, one of the important steps to progress. And we should not be stopped with that failure and don't be feared from that failure. Okay, so at last, don't forget to subscribe our channel and to like and to share it for them. Thank you.